If you touch me, I might defend myself from assault. You guys are assaulting me, stealing my property, forcing me to do what I don't want to do. I have court today.
Yeah.
So,
I know you're recording.
yes. And I'm coming in with my phone
It's
today.
the same deal. You can't come in with your phone. Right?
Do you know you're getting the judge?
It's the same,
You know you're getting the judge
deal.
called. You know you're getting the judge called to a constitutional challenge. I am allowed to unobtrusively record audio.
Can I explain something?
Do you remember last time you had to tell me what the judge said? To write my own...
You went in there.
No, but you had to tell me. You're not my lawyer. I didn't remember. Okay, this is the cop. This is the cop who had to remind me what the judge said after I left court. I didn't remember what the judge said, and you had to remind me what the judge said. That's why in the law there's a provision that I can audio record in the court. You're getting called to a constitutional challenge. You're getting the judge called to. You're getting the judge called to a constitutional challenge. You've seen me. Hold on. You've seen me subpoena the prosecutor from this court to my criminal trial. I got all the evidence. The judge is coming to my criminal trial.
Same thing today as last time. You were not coming in with your phone because of past issues. Okay.
There's no issues.
You were in court.
I did not do any criminal issue. There is no bail condition about my phone. You cannot make conditions out of the air. So what if I'm black? Are you going to say no black people in there if a black person gets mad?
I brought this up before.
If a black person gets mad, are you going to put no black people on that board? Is that what you're going to do?
So same thing as last time, you're not coming in your phone. I was in the courtroom with you last time when you asked.
You had to remember.
When you asked the judge if you could record in there. It was specifically notified.
I've got the law and you're getting them constitutionally challenged. Do you not read the law before you enforce it?
Bottom line, you're not coming in with your phone.
Sir, do you not read the law before you enforce it? Sir, do you not read the law before you enforce it? Don't come near me, you guys are violent. Do you not read the law before you enforce it? The exemption in the Courts of Justice Act says that I can unobtrusively record. You have no choice. You're coming to a constitutional hearing, a challenge to explain to a judge why you're breaching my right. There's no obstruction. There's lots of room to come by. If you're 800 pounds, I need to know why you're not reading the law. The exemption in the Courts of Justice Act. Is 136 in the Courts of Justice Act too far down in the Courts of Justice Act for you to go look at it?
Mr. Smarty, he's explained himself many times, and you've been through this before.
It does not matter. It does not matter. Well, you guys are coming to a constitutional challenge. You're getting the judge subpoena to a constitutional challenge. You're all coming to constitutional challenges. You're all going to have to get lawyers. I know you pay for it. Because of this sign right here, and because of these signs right here, they think they can do anything they want to you because of these signs. They literally could put any sign on that wall, and these men right here, they will follow these signs. They will follow. See, that's a lawful sign. That's a lawful sign right there. That's a lawful sign. That sign, that's a lawful sign. They're allowed to put that sign there. But that's a lawful sign because we're not allowed to carry that. But what if I went to the liquor store, guys? What if I went to the liquor store and I had liquor in my bag and they didn't want to let me into court? You know, what if I had my medication on me and they just want to see the doctor's note on it or something? You know what I mean? What if I had perfume on me because my body odor stinks? Like, what if I stink so much that you don't want to be around me, so I have to put perfume on me? People have those disorders. People have those disorders. So they just magically put that one on there just to take away all your rights in the court. These courts are inherently corrupt. These people are corrupt. They are the most corrupt people in the whole world, and they're upholding a system that is corrupt. Okay, so you guys are at the North Bay Court, and you guys are not letting me bring my phone into court again. You're going to breach my constitutional rights.
You're not permitted to bring your cell phone in.
You're not allowed to seize people's cell phones. You're allowed to seize guns, knives. Okay, well, I'm walking in. Do not touch me. If you touch me, I might defend myself from assault. You guys are assaulting me, stealing my property, forcing me to do what I don't want to do. Can I have your name and your badge number?
I've got a card for you, Mr. Smarty.
What?
I have a card for you which has my name and badge number.
Okay, thank you. And can I get your name? Rexon.
Yep.
Okay, thank you, Rexon. You were good last time. You know I'm not a threat. You know this phone's not a threat either. See the smile? He knows.
You're under conditions
So-
and you've been told not to bring it in here.
No, there's no conditions. My conditions is I can only, I don't care about what people told. Would you not rather me protest my government with a green toilet brush and a camera legally than to come down here with some kind of yahoo-ness and protest illegally?
I'd rather you just follow directions of the
Directions is not legal and illegal. You guys do not have the right to just direct anybody. I have court at 9:15.
You can clearly come into court like we've explained.
I have court at 9:15, and you guys are restricting me to come in. So do you know what's going to happen? I'm going to have to take a handwritten notes of whatever is said in the court. Do you know how long that is going to take me to do handwritten notes in the court? Not a video.
Oh.
So you seen those three
Yeah,
cops?
them three cops, two of them followed him right inside the office for, he's just getting legal advice.
They harassed
And
me,
they
stopped
harassed
me,
him right inside the jail for no reason.
and they were
He
laughing.
wouldn't do nothing.
They were laughing at me.
And then
all
one
night.
officer even ran into the door with his head.
Oh, one officer, I'm opening the door and he jumps in front of the door with his foot. It hits his foot. And I
Slammed
said,
the door.
listen, man, you jump in that door. They are trying
And I
to
even
charge
took
me.
pictures of him.
Yeah, this guy seen it, so they didn't charge me. But he literally jumped in front of that
Oh,
door.
I'll be a witness.
It looked like he jumped in front of that door to try to charge me with hitting him with the door or something. You just reminded me of that. I'm glad you came back because I didn't report it earlier.
They're crooks.
Yes, they're crooks in there. Thank you.